My name is Kostas Koumandaros, and I lead Work Package 8. In Work Package 8, we focus our developments on enhancing the EOSC Core so that it becomes a more robust, sustainable, and coherent platform. Major step forward was the transition from a traditional hub and spoke model, where all records were harvested centrally, to a mesh architecture. This transformation is enabled by the introduction of the Node Registry, which acts as a alternative mechanism for managing EOSC nodes and their federating capabilities. With the Node Registry in place, the architecture becomes more decentralized, thereby improving system resilience and scalability. The Node Registry ecosystem consists of three components: the Node Registry, which is the registration authority for metadata and metadata aggregator for all EOSC nodes; the Node Endpoint, service running on each node exposing the node's capability; the Node Client, a tool that simplifies communication between nodes and the registry. Let's see now how the information flows in this new topology. Whenever a user on node A needs information from node B, node A will query the Node Registry, which will act as an address book, to discover node B's endpoint. Node A will then contact node B's endpoint and request its list of capabilities. Node B will respond with its available capabilities, for example, a federated search capability. Node A can then query node B federated search to retrieve resources. Let's log in the Node Registry to see the metadata associated with a node. On the front page, we display basic information such as the node's name, logo, and a short description. Because the Node Registry is considered a high-level resource, logging through the Node AI requires passing all authentication steps, including multi-factor authentication, to ensure higher levels of assurance. Since I already have Microsoft Authenticator enabled on my account, I simply confirm my identity using one-time code, and then I'm logged in as a manager for the Node Registry. If we navigate to Manage Nodes and open the configuration for the NIFOS node, for example, you can see the primary information we store, which is node name, node endpoint, where capabilities are exposed, ISO.PID containing node metadata, logo and website URL, short description, the node category, if it's, for example, a national node or a thematic node, the legal entity representing the node, which is required by the rules of participation, and some contact information for administration, technical support, and security teams. This ensures we always know how to reach the responsible teams for each node. Let's consider now a practical research scenario. Marta, a researcher, initiates a search from the NIFOS Bureau front office using its federated search capability. The front office queries the Node Registry and the listed node endpoints to discover which nodes offer the federated search capability. The registry returns the list, including CESTA, as one of the capable nodes. NIFOS front office contacts CESTA front office, retrieves resources, and presents all results together. Marta can then select, filter, and order the resources she needs for her work. For example, if we search for HPC resources, we see results from a central node and can filter the resources provided only by the CESTA node. We can then navigate directly to CESTA data catalog to continue our research. Behind the scenes, the workflow is as described. NIFOS front office uses the Node Registry to discover nodes, contacts their endpoints, retrieves capabilities such as federated search, and then queries their front office capability. Through this work Package 8 delivered significant enhancements across the EOSC Core components, ensuring operational coherence and flexibility. These components can now be offered as managed services or as white-label services, as demonstrated by the deployments for the front office for CESTA and NIFOS. Our future focus is to continue to realize the full vision of the Node Mesh architecture, make capabilities even easier to deploy and use across the EOSC ecosystem. This is work that will be continued in Work Package 9 of EOSC Beyond. Thank you.